Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple and updated steps to set your relationship status to in a relationship, right from your Facebook page on your PC. Whether you want to share your status with your friends or just keep your profile up to date, this quick guide will help you do it with ease. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can manage all your details. Next, once you're on your profile, find and click on the About section. This section holds all the important information about you, including your work, education, contact details, and of course, your relationship status. Scroll down or look through the list until you find the Family and Relationships area. This is where you can add or update your relationship info. Click on it to open the options related to your family and relationship status. Now, look for the button or link that says Add a Relationship Status. Clicking this will allow you to choose from different relationship options. Since we want to show that you're in a relationship, select that from the list of statuses. After choosing in a relationship, you simply need to click on Save to confirm your selection. Facebook will then update your profile to reflect your new relationship status, and your friends will be able to see this update if your privacy settings allow. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your relationship status is updated on your Facebook profile using the new layout on the PC app. Remember, you can always change your status anytime by following these same steps. Thanks for watching.